step into the Jeep 2020 Grand Cherokee Laredo E. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, diamond black crystal pearl coat, ECO suspension STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, black cloth bucket seats, wheels, 17 inches x 8.0 silver aluminum, STD, quick order package 2BE Laredo E included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, power 8-way driver manual passenger seat bright side roof rails power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, tires, P245/70R17 BSW on off-road, STD, and rear-wheel drive. This vehicle should